how are you? I have a little bestie helper here today. She is my goddaughter, Juliana. Say hello, besties.
Hi, besties.
In today's video, we're gonna be making a wreath with the star form. It's gonna be a snowflake.
And it's gonna be beautiful.
Yes.
Do you trust me? Put in the comments if you trust me.
She's good, right? Got it after her godmother.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
That's right. Let's get started.
Yes.
So you're gonna get your supplies at the Dollar Tree, the form and snowball mesh. It's great because it doesn't fray. You can find blue or white or even red, white, and blue for the patriotic holidays. First, we are going to cut the mesh, 8-inch long pieces, and you can use the Dollar Tree cutting board or a little piece of cardboard as your guide. Simply roll up your mesh and cut on both ends. And now you've seen me do this before. You are going to grab the opposite corners, fold them in the middle, walk your fingers across, pinch, and you're gonna make little petals like this. I forgot to mention we are going to use the zip ties to attach your petals to the form. First, we are going to attach one to each tip of the star. Cut it off and repeat at each tip. All right, we got the tips done. Now we are going to attach the second set right there. Okay, cut it off and repeat all the way around. When done all the way around, you are going to add one more set there. You're going to have 3 on each arm of the star. And then we are going to start attaching right there. Just like this, we are going to do all the way around. Okay, this is how it looks. We will continue attaching these and covering up the form. So as you can see, this is not hard at all. A little bit time consuming, but if you are with your besties or you have little helpers around, it really goes fast. Okay, here's the close-up look. We will continue going forward. Let's attach right there. And I don't want to bore you with every single petal. You get the idea. We will continue filling up each arm, and this is how it looks. You're going to continue filling it up. It's all repetitive, same technique, real easy. Okay, we are getting there. As you can see, I still have some space in between for one more petal. And since my bestie has this snowflake ribbon, I cut 8-inch long pieces, pinch it in the middle, and attach on top of our petal, and tie it right there. Here's how it looks with the ribbon. Of course, you don't have to do it, but I think it gives it a little bit extra. Don't you think? We are going to repeat all the way around. I really like how it looks, but I feel now that we need to add some ribbon on the outer layer as well. So we are just going to attach it like in between the star's arms. The star's armpits. When I turn it upside down, you'll be able to see better. Right there. All right, let's turn it around and see. Oh, much better. I love that. We are going to repeat all the way around, and it ties it all nicely together. Another optional step would be adding some snowflake lights from the Dollar Tree. First, you are going to zip tie the battery pack somewhere on the side with the button easily accessible for you. And then weave the string lights throughout. Ready to see how it looks? Ta-da! Beautiful blue light, right? Changes everything. Julie loves it. It's a great gift for a little girl, especially those who love Frozen. And make sure you fluff up all your petals. And if you like, you can also add an ornament in the center. This snowflake ornament is from the Dollar Tree. We are going to use a larger zip tie and attach it right there in the middle of our snowflake. Secure it better with some hot glue. Also, if you have the foam scatter, light blue is a perfect cherry on top. Just hot glue it throughout here and there. And it really gives it some extra texture. Oh my goodness, this came out so cute. I'm gonna make one more today. Stay tuned. Take a look. Are you ready to see the second snowflake? It's going to be a white version. So just a quick review of everything we learned. So you fold in your opposite ends and walk your fingers across, pinch in the middle, and make your petals. You are going to make petals like this throughout the whole form. Use a zip tie to attach the first set to the tips of the star. As you get all the points done, you are going to move down to the next step and attach your petals right there. Next, we need to add petals in between. As you can see, the form is showing. I left too much space. But I'm thinking I want to attach some of that beautiful snowflake ribbon. Let's see how it would look. 8 inches long piece you put on top. Oh, I think it's going to add so much nice texture. And let's zip tie that right there in between. Beautiful, isn't it? Let's repeat that all the way around. We are going to add the snowflake ribbon to the next set of petals and add it right there in the armpits of the star. Magic, all done. And since I don't have enough of the white mesh, I'm going to add just a little bit of blue with some white ribbon, white and silver stripe. You know, you get creative if you have to. said, I'm using blue again with the white snowflake. I think it stands out nicely, right? And we are going to attach it right there. Boom, and it's done all the way around. And now we are going to finish it off just with the white petal. And before I show you the final result, I like to add some snowflake lights. The large one glow in white. So that's good to keep in mind when you're buying them. With the blue mesh, I recommend the other ones with more for a wider look. You get the large snowflakes. And again, attach the battery pack on the side, in the back, and weave the shrink throughout. Oh, so pretty. For a cherry on top, we need that beautiful snowflake in the center. So pretty, isn't it? I do have some of that white foam scatter, the tiny ones. I think I'm going to attach it throughout, just for a little bit more texture. I love how it looks with the snowball mesh. Take a look, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and Julie even got a new hair clip. Take care, thanks for watching.
Hope you have a good day.